Hello everyone. So I'm back no right now. It's kind of cold. Um the weather is sunny outside pero malamig. Uh, I don't know kasi daw sa somewhere Bay Area it's kind of cold. Yesterday nung pumunta ako sa Lincoln, um my boss told me like it's cold right there. Nag-ice actually. Ice or something like hail or something. Meron siguro nag-ice siguro yung mga ano nila, windows and shields nila. So, by the way, I'm making right now the one that actually na-miss ko to guys, like doing this one, flowers, because I was making bouquet flowers before and may nag-order when I was in Philippines. So, I miss that. Yung nagmi-mix ka and florist din po ako. Florist, I mean, I have the art, I have the craft of doing flower arrangements. Kahit ano pa yan, like when I was in Hawaii, na-enjoy ng pasyente ko or ng family ng pasyente ko ang ang craft ko because they had a bunch of vases, mga old vases, mga vintage, and then they asked me to, okay, since you're, kasi nakita ko is just in the corner yung mga vases, so I asked, Mama, can I arrange flowers? Kasi marami silang mga, actually hindi lang siya flowers ang nasa garden nila, also yung mga grass and even grass, the grass are so nice na pwede ko siyang i-made into art. And then may mga flowers, alam mo naman ang weather sa Hawaii is very nice. So yeah, and then I enjoy nila almost every day. I see to it na may flowers sa table, and then if nag-worn out na yung mga flowers, I change it kasi nasa garden lang naman eh. And then so back to my craft. So I was doing flower arrangement before, and then may nag-order, na-miss ko din siya, and then nag-upload ako kanina, I was trying, kaya ko ba naman pala gumawa kahit rose. I made a rose, and then paunti-unti i-collect ko until dadami siya. So by the way, somebody asked me if how I sell my products here in America, or shall we say, yeah, preferably here in California. I am an open book po. I share what I know or the knowledge that I have. So, but I want to separate the video with dedication sa pag share sa inyo regarding step by step. Sana I want it step by step para may guide kayo, but overview, I go to cafes, and then unti-unti, actually this is just, I have just started, I have just registered my small business here. So lumalapit ako like na studio ba, cafe or something, kapihan or restaurant ng mga Pilipino here. I asked them, and I got a few of them, hindi dili daghan, hindi marami, but most of my purchases or most of my sales coming from or goes to mga friends, referrals. So like for example, they message me directly, Naday, can you make me like 10 hats? I'm gonna give it to like this, like that. Can you do a bouquet like that? Bouquet here, not exactly bouquet yung nagawa ko. That's why I wanna make it. I wanna create something bouquet. Get back to it. Okay. I miss it, like arranging, and then ano siya guys, if you know how to crochet, use your craft here, because sayang, pera siya, nagkakapera ka with that side or with that craft. So yeah, that's how I do it. And then okay, you really need to I forgot, it's in the car. I have my inventory book kasi, so I really write down what items do I have right now in my corner. Like for example, I will go to the cafe. There's a certain store na consignment because I do consignments too. So but that consignment, ikaw yung mag-a-arrange. It's like a booth. Don't worry, I'll do a documentation with that, or I'll do a video with that na how I do it. Like meron kang corner at that portion ng store nila, and then you arrange, you provide everything like the grid panel, where you tie or where you sabit ba those mga keychains or everything, like your abubots. So ako kasi in no particular thingy in no particular thing na stuff, crochet stuff yung nagagawa ko, kasi I make everything, like wearables, damit, from head up to toe, kahit sa pangbata, mga costume sa pangbata, lahat I make, because that was my forte before. So I make wearables. And wait lang ha, medyo ano siya, nasisilawan ako. And then nasisilaw ba kayo? Should I masyado siyang maano o ganyan. O wag na kayo ma-disturbo dyan sa box na yan, because I will fix those boxes right there. Mga stocks or mga ano yan, mga materials na gagamitin for summer. So I do consignment. It's kahit gaano kaliit ng halaga ng nagawa niyong crochet, you really have to do an inventory with it. So for example, you go to a store and then ask them, or you should pass proposal, or can I pass a proposal, and be friendly. Okay, one tip is be friendly in going there. Tapos pag may choice, respect their privacy. If they don't want to entertain you, okay. Pero actually, based on my experience, mababait sila, and then they really accommodate you. So if you go there and then ask them if you can pass letter of proposal, and gawin nyo namang maayos yung proposal nyo na pakilala mo yung sarili mo. And then ako kasi, before I do it, or I did it, nagpa-LLC ako, or nagpa-legal, or I really had the registration. So nagpa-register ako kasi few years siguro yung feasibility ko, kasi yung market ko kasi nasa Pilipinas, so wala akong kakilala dito, wala akong market dito. And aside sa consignment, so isa yan, consignment, you will sell your products sa consignment. And the next one is media. If you can utilize newspaper, magazine na ma-feature ka, and then media, I include media sa social media. Social media kasi is very common right now. Like we all have the tools in social media. And then may YouTube na, may TikTok. Ako I don't use TikTok right now. So I only use Instagram and Facebook and ano pa ba? YouTube. I upload videos like this sa YouTube. I advise you to utilize the media, and then as much as possible, yung mga, alam mo yung mga old ways natin, like we read or we publish in newspapers, yan. Pwede yan. Kasi there are really people na nag-a-adore ng ganitong klaseng craft, or ng ganitong niche. So, isa din yan. And then, allies or friends. You have friends that know you na gumagawa ka nito, and then they want handmade. So, pag na-miss nila yung handmade or they want, usually kasi ang nagpapagawa sa akin yung mga gifts. Yung ano ibibigay nila sa birthday, ano ibibigay nila for somebody na precious to them, like customize. So, like for example, ano ba, yung isa, yung ballerina, yung apo niya is ballerina. So, she let me made a bag, what do you call that one? Parang knee socks. Tapos, kasi ballerina siya eh. And the poncho, and then the skirt, marami. So, she adores the product and the quality also, binalik-balikan niya. So, right now, I wanna focus also, kasi magba-Valentine's na, di ba? I wanna focus sa mga maliliit na abubot na affordable that you can just put in the corner sa isang ano, kasi nagko-consignment ka, di ba? And you can put samples or not samples but exactly yung mabibili na nila in that certain store or cafe na pwede nyong lapitan or pwede nyong i-consignment yung mga products nyo. And then, yeah, that's it. Yun yung mga sellables yung maliliit na abubot na affordable lang sa kanila. And kasi yung crochet, kasi yung handmade, mahal talaga. Kasi you take time. It takes time to make it. So, they understand na pricey talaga siya. So, yeah, isa yun. And make a list. Kung gusto nyong maging okay yung benta nyo, make a list. Kasi nawawala sa ano eh. Kasi yung mismong cafe na yon, yung mismong tindahan na yon, hindi naman sila perfect eh na 24 hours mababantay nila yung items. There are times hindi din sila perfect. There are times nakakalimutan nilang ilista na oy nabentahan sila ganito ganyan. So it is very important na maglista kayo and then do the inventory. That's it. And account it with the crew or with the owner or the staff or sino mang pwede yung lapitan. Ako I usually go to the manager or the owner. So yeah, that's an advice. And just enjoy the ride. The small business na ganito is you shouldn't be like pressured na kailangan kong kumita ng malaki agad. Because ako kasi personally, based on my experience, I really wanted to start small. Kasi ang dami mong may experience along the way. Bago ka lumaki, dumaan ka muna sa maliit na yung mga small side negative at saka yung mga experiences na pangit, madali mo na siyang smooth na yung yung pag-solve mo doon sa mga struggles na yon. So, yeah, may experience ka. And then, dito kasi sa US, you need to pay really the tax. Pay it good. So, and then they purchase from you plus the tax. Ganun talaga yun. Kasi nagbabayad ka ng tax pag legal ka na. So, yeah. That's it. Isa yun. And for those who asked me na paano ko ginagawa, don't you worry guys. I will share it to you. One of these days magvi-video ako like how I did it, and then magdo-documentary tayo. Busy lang kasi masyado sa personal kong life. And yeah, I'm proud that registered na po ang aking munting benta-benta in Tagalog, munting benta-benta or my small business na handmade or handcrafted by me. And then don't be overwhelmed ha. Ano lang ako, hindi ako ganun kalaki. So kasi nagtatrabaho ako and then at side hustle ko lang siya, but unti-unti makikilala at nakikilala din siya. So I need to make it legal or I need to make it like documented. Kasi mahirap pag hindi ka nagbabayad ng tax dito. So yeah, yun lang the piece of advice. Number 1, mag-consignment ka, grab mo yung consignment. Tapos yung mga kakilala, any amount kahit gaano kaliit ng ano ng piece ng ano mo, piece of product mo. Yeah, appreciate it. Tsaka magbenta ka, kahit gaano kaliit, magbenta ka. Because it really helps. Not just with the financial, also with the name. Like, makikilala ka ng mga tao because they keep on purchasing. Small or big. So, nakikilala ka. Ito si Handcrafted by May. Oo, dito, ganun. At saka, natutuwa ako. May nakakilala sa akin in Facebook. Sabi niya, Ma'am, I've been following you sa crochet potato. Yung crochet potato talaga yung palagi kong inaabagan. Yeah, thank you, my dear. Kasi, that was my baby talaga. Yung crochet potato. Yun talaga yung baby business ko dati. Na, ang dami kong orders, guys. Overwhelmed na orders na hindi ko na siya pwedeng i-continue dito kasi ako lang mag-isa. And may help kasi ako sa Pilipinas before, that's why. So I accept orders. Kaya marami akong mga characters na character costumes na nagagawa dati for babies, mga handmade. So yeah, thank you for following. And here in US, ang na-register ko po ang Handcrafted by May. Only one. Isang ano lang ang kaya ko. Isang negosyo muna yung kaya kong i-register. Kasi mahal. Mahal siya. So, and ayoko din damihan na. Kasi gusto kong i-focus siya into one. So, ang handmade by May kasi everything. For grown-up, for bata, for everyone. So, andun lahat na. Handcrafted nga eh. So, I do not just crochet, so lahat ng handmade kaya ng handcrafted. So sooner or later I'll explore naman sa woodcraft. So unti-unti until ma-establish ko siya. So yeah, thank you guys for following me. Naisipan ko lang mag-share sa inyo right now kasi may nagtanong sa akin. So, yeah, thank you for asking also the questions sa kusina man yun. And then, yeah, for now, I'm making flowers. Then, I'll upload how does it look like. So, unti-unting nag-grow yung ano siya, yung community or yung following. Thank you guys. Have a blessed day or have a good day or good one. And mag-rest kayo. Kung inaantok, matulog. Kung napapagod, pahinga. Okay? Magpahinga. Huwag susuko. Okay. Thank you.